Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. Gentleman told me this runs fine, and I did just start it and it does run. He said that it doesn't kick down as good as it should sometimes when it builds full air, and he wasn't sure why. He just wound up with a bigger compressor and didn't need this one. So it's not going to build air because I have the valve open, but I will start it for you. Okay, folks, you've seen it go. I can tell you, you can't smell the gas in the video, but it needs fresh gas. Okay? Thanks for looking.